Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Gupta and you're watching Electric Vehicles. In this video, we'll talk about Ford's exit and a possible re-entry into the Indian market. If you happen to like it, then do let us know by hitting the like, share and the subscribe button. So first of all, Ford was incurring a loss of $2 billion over the past 10 years. When they closed their operation in India, they had a market share of only 1.5%. Now let's talk about the manufacturing plants of India. One is situated or was situated in Tamil Nadu and the other one in Gujarat, Sanand. Now let's talk about the Tamil Nadu plant first. Tamil Nadu government is holding meetings with the Ford company so that Ford can start manufacturing electric cars in the Tamil Nadu plant. Why is that? Because Ford has very aggressive policy of having a lot of electric cars in their portfolio, aiming for the North America and the European markets. Now the Tamil Nadu government said you could start your manufacturing in the Tamil Nadu plant that you have and then export your vehicles from here, which means generation of employments for us in the Tamil Nadu area. Other than that, I believe that Ford will, whenever they start manufacturing vehicles in India, they will also eye the Indian market. 4 reasons why I believe that. Number one is, of course, the FAME 2 subsidy, which allows customers to have a better buying power, and then the state subsidy wherever applicable. Other than that, the third reason is that Indian market has a large appetite, has a big appetite for electric cars right now. If you see the waiting list of Nexon EV or the Tigor EV, it runs into almost 5 to 6 months. Number 4th point, I think, is that PLI scheme, production linked incentive. Now the government selected 20 companies which will be eligible for the PLI subsidy. One of them was Ford. I don't think Ford will let the subsidy go so easy. If they are getting a good market, a talented market like the Indian subcontinent, and then relatively less expensive labors, then I think Ford will be taking up this opportunity. Now speaking of the Gujarat manufacturing plant, that plant in Sanand is exactly opposite to Tata Motors' own manufacturing plant. And now Tata Motors has bought this Sanand plant from Ford, which means Ford will be getting a good amount of money to start investing in the Tamil Nadu plant. Now also speaking of Tata Motors will be using this Sanand plant exclusively to make electric cars, which means the waiting period of electric cars will soon come down, and probably the price also, because this will be specific to EVs only. We'll let you know more as we come to know, and if you know some more details about this topic, then do let us know in the comment section, and we'll meet again. Go green, go electric.